Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to download Instagram Reels video. So without further delay, let's get straight to the video. First of all, go to Instagram and find the Reels video you want to download and copy the links of the Instagram Reels video that you want to download. To copy the Instagram Reels video, you have to just tap on this send message icon, and then here you will find this copy link option. So our Instagram Reels video link already has copied have copied. So now go to the Telegram. If you don't have Telegram app, just go to your Play Store or App Store and download it, and find any chat you want to just paste. You have to paste this link. You can use any chat. In my case, let me use this and paste your link, and just before the Instagram www.instagram, just type dd, you see, and send. You can use any chat. So I hope you like this video. If you